3 analogies to help imagine the Planck length. 1. Pixel of the universe. Imagine watching a high-resolution digital image on your computer screen. When viewed normally, the image looks smooth and continuous. But if you zoom in far enough, the image eventually breaks down into individual pixels. The Planck length is like the smallest pixel of the universe. No matter how much more you try to zoom in on the fabric of space, you can't go smaller than this. At this scale, space isn't continuous anymore, it might be made of tiny, indivisible units. 2. The smallest grain of sand. Picture holding a grain of sand. Now imagine shrinking that grain until it's the size of a single atom. Then, shrink it again by a factor of 1,000,000 billion billion. That's the scale of the Planck length. Just as you can't divide a grain of sand into infinitely smaller grains, the Planck length represents a limit where space can't be divided into anything smaller, a fundamental grain of the fabric of spacetime. 3. Ocean waves versus water molecules. Think of the ocean's surface. From a distance, you see smooth waves, but up close, those waves are made of tiny water molecules. At the macroscopic scale, the ocean behaves continuously, like smooth waves, but at the molecular level, it breaks down into discrete water particles. The Planck length is like this for space. At larger scales, space appears continuous, but when you zoom into the Planck length, space might consist of discrete quantized bits, like the water molecules in the ocean.